to. I got the wrap snacks. Who else got the wrap snacks, bro? Cause these just good. And I got the other kind too. Hold up. See the other kind. Other kind better. Hot. Alright, so these the other kind. But I just wanna let y'all know y'all need to try the wrap snacks. Well, if you did try the wrap snacks, comment on this video and and say is they hot or is they spicy. Tell them if they good or if they nasty. Just comment on my video, man. That way.